If you've been looking for smarter ways to handle your lawn without all the usual stress, you're in the right place. In this video, we've carefully picked 16 reliable lawn tools that actually make a difference. Not just trendy gadgets, but gear that solves real problems. These are based on what people genuinely need at home. Tools that save time, reduce effort, and get better results with less trial and error. We've gone through different types, from basic manual tools to more advanced options. But in this video, we're focusing only on smart tools that offer clear benefits over the old ways. Whether it's something that does the job faster, handles multiple tasks at once, or simply makes lawn care easier for beginners, these picks were chosen to help you work smarter, not harder. We know every lawn and every person's needs are different. So this list covers a variety of helpful options, each with its own strength. Let's get into it. At number 16, we have the Worx Landroid Robotic Lawn Mower. If mowing your lawn feels like a chore every week, this little robot might change everything for you. It automatically cuts your grass without you lifting a finger. You just set the boundary wire once, and it figures out the rest. It's smart enough to avoid obstacles and even returns to its charging dock when the battery is low. Once this is running, you can shift your energy toward other lawn tasks without ever thinking about mowing again. At number 15, the Greenworks Cordless String Trimmer makes a great companion. After the mower handles the main area, the trimmer steps in to tidy up the edges around trees, flower beds, and fences. Being cordless, it gives you freedom to move, and it's lightweight enough to use comfortably, even if you're not used to power tools. If you want to keep things looking freshly groomed without wasting time with cords or gas, this is a smart follow-up. At number 14, we suggest the Ryobi Cordless Edger. Now that trimming is done, it's time to sharpen those borders. This edger gives your lawn that crisp, professional look, along sidewalks, patios, and garden beds. It runs on the same battery as other Ryobi tools, which is a huge time saver. If you enjoy that clean cut between lawn and concrete, this tool finishes the job in minutes. At number 13, let's look at the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Spreader. A beautiful lawn needs more than just cutting. It needs nutrients, too. This spreader helps you apply fertilizer evenly without wasting product. The EdgeGuard feature keeps it from tossing granules where they don't belong, like on your driveway or flower beds. It's easy to push and even easier to control, especially for beginners who want results without confusion. At number 12, the Gilmour Pattern Master Sprinkler saves even more time. Once you've fed the lawn, you need to water it. This sprinkler lets you customize the pattern to match your lawn's shape, so you're not wasting water on sidewalks or driveways. It's especially handy for irregular spaces or front yards that aren't perfect rectangles. Set it and forget it while you tackle something else. At number 11, we've got the Orbit B-hyve Smart Hose Timer. Want even more control over watering? This timer attaches to your outdoor faucet and lets you set watering schedules from your phone. Whether you're on vacation or just busy, your lawn still gets the water it needs. It even adjusts for weather, saving both water and effort. At number 10, consider adding the BLACK+DECKER Cordless Leaf Blower. A neat lawn doesn't stop at cutting and watering. This blower clears up grass clippings, leaves, and other debris in no time. It's light, easy to carry, and way quieter than gas blowers. After every mow or trim, it helps you finish up faster and keep that tidy look. At number 9, the Sun Joe Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier becomes useful next. Over time, lawns get thatch buildup, which blocks water and nutrients. This tool pulls up the dead layer so your lawn can breathe again. It also scarifies the soil slightly, helping new grass grow better. You don't have to hire someone, just roll this over the lawn like a mower. It's worth doing every few months, to keep your grass truly healthy. At number 8, the Yard Butler Lawn Coring Aerator works hand in hand with dethatching. Right after dethatching, aerating is a smart move. This manual tool pulls out small plugs of soil to reduce compaction, helping roots grow deeper. It's not heavy, and you don't need gas or batteries, just some effort. Perfect for spot treating hard areas of your yard without investing in a big machine. At number 7, the Craftsman electric hedge trimmer is a smart upgrade for bushes and shrubs. Once the lawn and edges are done, overgrown hedges can make everything look messy. This trimmer gives you precision and power without too much weight. It's especially good if you've got a lot of shaping to do but want to finish up fast. It also saves you from paying for regular landscaping help. At number 6, we suggest the Tertill Garden Weeding Robot. For those with garden beds or flower areas, this solar-powered robot handles the tedious task of weeding. It rolls around, avoiding plants and only cutting weeds. No need for chemicals or bending over. It just does its thing daily and keeps your beds clear. It's like the lawn mower's smart cousin for your garden. At number 5, the Chapin 2000 Garden Sprayer saves time for liquid applications. Whether it's weed killer, lawn food, or even natural pest spray, this sprayer helps you cover a large area quickly. The pressure pump is easy to use, and the nozzle adjusts for different spray patterns. After you mow, it's an easy way to treat the whole yard efficiently. At number 4, the Gorilla Cart's heavy-duty garden cart steps in for hauling. From mulch to yard waste to tools, this cart helps you move heavy stuff around without multiple trips. It's balanced well, easy to dump, and strong enough to carry loads without wobbling. If you're doing any backyard project, this saves serious time and strain. At number 3, the Gardena Smart Sensor Control Set adds automation to your lawn care. This system connects to your irrigation and monitors soil moisture. It waters only when necessary, based on real-time data, so you're not wasting water or overdoing it. For those who want a low-maintenance lawn but still want it lush and green, this tool removes the guesswork. At number 2, we have the Moistenland Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. Perfect for flower beds, vegetable patches, or even potted plants. Once your main lawn is automated, it's smart to do the same for your smaller spaces. This kit delivers water directly to the roots with minimal waste. If you hate dragging the hose every day, this is a massive time saver. And finally, at number 1, we recommend the Keter Outdoor Storage Box with seat. After you've gathered all these tools, you'll want to keep them handy and safe. This storage box holds your gear and doubles as a seat while you work. It's weather-resistant, neat-looking, and keeps your tools from being scattered or damaged. A smart finish to round off your lawn setup.